What's up, you guys, and welcome back to your girl's channel. If you are new here, my name is Bree, and I hope you're enjoying this quality, baby, because your baby girl got a new camera, okay? But anyway, y'all, I'm not gonna chat y'all up too much. Today I'm coming to you with a hair review from DivasWigs. I bought with my own money a wig from DivasWigs. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys and show you guys what's inside this box, and I'm gonna let you know if it's worth your coin. So if you want to check this out, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I got this wig from DivasWigs, and first of all, let me just say the quality of the packaging, like, I never really had like a package from a wig company with this nice and quality. Like, I'm used to order my wigs from like Uni's and stuff like that, AliExpress and all that, but this DivasWig packaging is giving me texture. Can you hear that? SME. This DivasWig box is giving me texture, but let's open it up and see what's inside. So I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I already opened up the wig because I got it last week and I just really can't help myself. But anyway, inside of the box is this black bag which has the wig in it, but we're gonna open that in a minute. But also in the bag, look what they gave you, girl. They gave me a whole hairbrush. Like, this is the first wig company that gave your girl a hairbrush. Granted, it might be a cheap hairbrush, but it's a weave hairbrush nonetheless, and I'm thankful for DivasWigs. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you for the wig. And it gave your girl 2 brown wig caps, which I probably won't use. I like to use light brown, you know what I'm saying, because my scalp is brighter than my skin tone. But you know what I'm saying, I can find a use for them, you know. Who can have enough wig caps? All right, and then in the box is this little pamphlet. It says DivasWigs. It pretty much tells you what you have in the box. So I'm gonna just read to you guys what I got. So I got the wig with no wig grip. It's a 16-inch, 180% density. The lace is light brown, transparent lace. It's a 4-inch parting space lace front wig. Now y'all, this is my first 4-inch parting space. I normally get a 6x13, but this is a 4x13. So we're gonna see if we can finesse it, okay? And I got the cap size in average. Okay, y'all, so yeah, in here it looks like it's just like some tips to how to care for your wig and stuff like that. You know, we're not gonna read that. Whoever reads instructions, you know. But anyway, y'all, so the wig's inside this cute little black bag that says DivasWigs. It's so cute. So I love to keep these because I like to actually store my wigs in them when I'm not wearing them. I only have 2 mannequin heads, so all my wigs are usually kept in whatever packaging that the company sends it in. But because this is such a cute packaging, I'm definitely gonna keep DivasWigs. So everybody else is usually just in something like this, which, you know, that's cool too, but you know, I want cute stuff too. Okay, so inside the black bag is another plastic bag, keeping the wig safe. And inside of that plastic bag is a hairnet. And here we see the wig. You got this right here to keep the shape of the wig. And y'all, this is the wig, baby. So you can tell, like, it's a nice natural hairnet. It's a nice natural brown color. So when it's like that, that tells me the hair has not been processed. It is indeed virgin. And I'm looking at it now, and y'all, this wig's definitely already been plucked. The knots have definitely already been bleached. Let me show y'all. You can already see the knots have been bleached, but I'm probably, hold on, I'm probably gonna bleach them again though, y'all, just to make sure, you know, we want to be looking like what lace, not there's the lace. Yeah, I got that. We want to look like what lace, not there's lace. Okay, so I guess I might try this on for y'all. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. It comes with 4 clips in the inside of the wig, which I usually cut off. I don't use the clips. I don't know why people use clips. I don't use clips. And also, not an adjustable band, but an adjustable strap. so you can tighten up the wig. So yeah, 180% density, it feels full. The party space looks nice. It's 16 inches. It's got a little body in it. It's supposed to be a straight wig, but it has a little curl in it, but I don't care, you know, gotta wash it anyway, so we'll see what it looks like. But I guess I'll take out this little baseball cap and I'll show y'all what it looks like straight out of the packaging. Okay, y'all, so the wig is on straight out of the packaging, and hold on, let me get closer so y'all can see. What I'm gonna say is, yeah, this is probably gonna be one of the best wigs I bought straight out of the box that I can say so far. I can tell that I'm not gonna have to do too much work, because if y'all can see, like, of course the lace is still gonna be a little ashy because I'm a brown skin girl. So, you know, once I put my foundation color inside of it, it should look much better. But y'all, yeah, it looks pretty good though. Like, let's look at the hairline. It's definitely plucked, but you know, your girl gonna pluck it some more. But it's definitely plucked. And I have a low hairline, y'all, so you can still see my hair under there, but I'm just trying to show y'all what the hairline is giving. It's giving a little plucked, but you know, I'm gonna plug it more. But that middle part, honey, is peeking through, baby. It's peeking through. So, yeah, y'all, I'm probably gonna go ahead, bleach the knots, and pluck this bad boy. And then, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like when I have the wig on my head. And I'm gonna give y'all an honest review. I'm gonna add like a little curls to it. Like, you know, once I bleach the knots, I'm gonna have to go ahead and wash the wig. I wash my wigs anyway. I think everybody should be washing their wigs when you first get them, even though I just put it on my head and I haven't washed it. But anyway, don't do as I do, do as I say. Say as I, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, y'all, I'll be right back. And by the way, when I come back, I'll be looking a little cuter, you know, makeup might be something, okay, baby? All right, so I'll see y'all in the video. Okay, y'all, so my hair is done. So I'm just gonna give you guys a rundown about how I feel about this hair. So first and foremost, I wanna say that the hair has very minimal shedding. Like, y'all, I don't think I ever dealt with a wig with this least amount of shedding. Like, when I tell y'all, I bleached the knots again, and that's the only time I experienced the shedding. Other than that, combing this wig, I flat ironed it out. No shedding, y'all. Like, I'm low-key shook with DivasWigs. Like, no shedding, baby girl. That's unheard of, okay? But yeah, y'all, this is the wig. After I washed it, I put it under my hooded blow dryer on my mannequin head, and by the time it dried, it was pretty much straight. Remember, I told you guys earlier it had like a little curl to it. Now it's pretty much, well, after I dried, it got pretty much straight, pretty straight. Dang, girl can't talk. But so yeah, so I like that about it, but it still had body. It's 180% density, so it still has that thickness. But I went ahead and used my hot comb, and I used my flat iron just to get it like bone straight, because I just was going for a straight look today. The only negative thing I can say about this hair was this side was slightly, God, me and this phone. This side was slightly longer, so I did have to trim it, but that's no biggie. I still think it's true 16 inches, so it's not long at all. It's short, you know, that's what I chose, 16 inches. But y'all, another thing I wanted to say is I got really lazy when I started to customize this wig, and I did not feel like plucking. Like, let me show y'all. I literally only plucked this much. That's all, y'all. If you customize your own wigs, you know that ain't nothing, baby. That's nothing. I just got lazy, so yeah, but it still looked really good. Like I said, y'all, it was pre-plucked, so it still looks really good. And I'll get closer in a second so you guys can really see the hairline. You know, I finished the baby hair, you know. Y'all heard me say before, I'm a middle part queen, now I'm a baby hair queen, okay? With my natural hair, I killed the baby hair, so only right when you do it with your weaves too. But anyway, y'all, all in all, I'm really feeling this hair. The quality of the hair is top tier, y'all. That's my biggest thing I would say about this wig is the quality of the hair. Another pro was it was already bleached. I did go in and bleach it again. I really didn't have to, but I just did that because we want to be serving where's the lace, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and bleached it again, and I could have did a little bit more plucking. My hairline to me is still a little bit dense, but I'm still really feeling it. I'm still gonna go out with this wig on, so I'm not really tripping on that. But anyway, you guys, tell me what you think about this wig. If you've tried DivasWigs before, let me know your experience. I think I want to get like some curly hair next time, just see how that works out. But in the meantime, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up so you can really see the hairline, okay? But anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up, okay? And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel because, you know, it helps me out a lot. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you ever tried DivasWigs and what was your experience, because, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to see if I'm gonna spend this coin again. Like, it's looking like a yes. Like, it's looking like I'm gonna keep on spending my coins on DivasWigs. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know the tea, okay? Let me know the tea down in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you for watching. Bye-bye.